Yes, many sealant options exist, so you can match repaired concrete to the surrounding surface. When selecting a sealant for concrete aesthetics, focus on color base, texture, and application method. Urethane sealants commonly come in limestone or gray tones that approximate typical concrete. Choose a shade closest to the surrounding slab and test on a small area first, because cured color can shift. To match texture, broadcast matching sand or fine aggregate into the wet sealant so the surface reflects nearby roughness. For smooth finishes, use a trowel and a light misting technique to blend edges. If the patch still contrasts, mix a concrete-compatible pigment into the sealant following the manufacturer guidelines, and keep pigment additions below the recommended percentage to preserve bonding properties. For large areas, consider using multiple small test patches across different lighting conditions to find the best match and allow full cure before final evaluation. Clean and prime the joint or crack per product instructions to avoid color changes from trapped moisture or contaminants. When in doubt, pick a slightly lighter shade, because many sealants darken as they cure, and weathering will tend to even tones over several months. Common problems include mismatched color, poor adhesion, and uneven texture. For color differences, try blending pigment or using matching sand to break up the contrast, and always cure a test sample. If the sealant does not adhere, it is usually due to surface contamination or moisture, so remove all dust, grease, and loose particles and allow the substrate to dry thoroughly before applying primer or the sealant. Uneven texture or visible edges occur when application is rushed, so apply slowly in controlled passes. Feather edges with a damp tool, and use workable sections no larger than you can finish before the product skins over. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find work through our project listings and community discussions. We host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, ask product questions, and share photos so you can get real feedback while planning a match for your driveway.